Welcome. So unfortunately, these scams keep going on. So you can see here again that some footage of Brett Gardening House is being used, and they're showing you a link to a website. So in this case, it's xrpdev. So before it was xrpteam.net. So they're changing also that one frequently. So if you go to xrponline.us, I land on these fake giveaway pages, as you can see. Right, and the only thing they do is they promise you to give you twice the amount of XRP if you send it. So if you send them XRP, they promise to double it and send it back to you, but that's a scam. So please don't fall for that. It's all a scam. These are scam websites. They're even offering live support. So you can see here that they even want to help you to scam you. So where to send let's have some fun here. Send Tron to, well, it's with Tron in this case. And if you also have a look at the address here where they want you to send it to, so we just look at XRP scan, we can track that out. You can see already people have fallen for it, and people have sent 40,000 XRP to that address in total, and that's very unfortunate. So you can see here some, and they responded. So obviously with a fake profile, they're calling XRP live support, even though XRP is the asset, and they probably mean Ripple, but whatever. So you can see here. So now they want to support me. Let's see if they need my seed phrase. So if you want to have fun, you can just chat with them. So it's so, yeah. But it's wasted, so their time is worthless. But unfortunately, they're making lots of money here. Oh, they don't need the seed phrase. Okay, that's very nice. You need the family seed. Let's see if they need my family seed in this case. And like I said, it's like I said, they are making quite a lot of money scamming people out of, well, 10,000 of XRP here. Also, one mistake they made here, we can see here they made 2 transactions out. And in the first case, they made the transaction to another account here. And we can see that this account is sent it to Kraken. And on Kraken, they are identified. So we have their we have their names, more or less, so they're identified there. So we'll be reporting both of the accounts to Kraken. So in this case, one time Kraken and one time to IndoDAX. So let's check this out. IndoDAX, what is that? That is, again, an Indonesian trading platform. So we'll be reporting both accounts. And like I said, the exchanges have the destination tag. And to that destination tag is a account type, an internal account. And to that account, they have, like I said, the name behind it. So they have the names. So just report it, and maybe also authorities will be informed. So it would be great. And yes, so that's basically it. So please don't fall for these fake scam videos. So you can see there's another one going on right now. So it's happening all the time. Yeah, and they're even showing ads. So that's yeah, pretty low. So they're trying to scam you and even showing you ads. But okay, so let's just wait a few seconds. And you can see here this next fake website, xrp2021-gift.net. So it's the same principle again. xrp2021-gift.net. So, and we can see here, it's the next. So this looks a little bit differently, but the principle is the same. So let's see how many people have fallen for that scam. So if we just enter the address again. So somebody has already so 2 people already fell for it, for each of 3,000 XRP. So I guess it's the minimum amount they're advertising. Alright, so yeah, the only thing I can tell you is please copy the addresses. If they're dumb enough to leave to send it to an exchange, please contact the exchanges. So you can see here, like I said, they were sending it to this account and then sending it to Kraken. So just contact Kraken in this case, report that destination tag, and send them the blockchain data. If you do that, Kraken might take legal action against them. Maybe also local authorities will be informed. And they might be, well, justice might be brought upon them, so that would be great. And it's the same, like I said, with IndoDAX, so also contact them. So whatever exchanges they have, as soon as they have the destination tag, the exchanges know these people, and they can do something about it. Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.